Assalamualaikum and hello. My name is Noshafida Izzati binti Abdul Zahir and my supervisor is Prof. Madya Dr. Abdul Fattah bin Wahab. My title on final year project is Design and Simulation of an Air Conditioner using Fuzzy Logic Controller. So this is the content of my presentation. The first one is introduction, which is air conditioner is a home appliance system or machine that blows the extra heat air to turn it into a cool air. The next one, air conditioning system is used on-off controllers. And I'm using Fuzzy Logic Controller to control the compressor motor speed, fan speed, fan direction and operation mode to maintain the room temperature at or close to the set point temperature and save energy. Also, it keeps devices from damage. The next one is my problem statement is air conditioning system has a complex interaction between user preferences, actual room temperature and humidity level that are difficult to model mathematically. The next one is in order to achieve thermal comfort with minimum energy consumption. And the third is objective. The objective on this project is to develop a prototype to simulate of an air conditioner, to predict how to save the energy of the compressor speed with the suitable temperature, and the last one is to apply Fuzzy Logic Controller technique to the simulation. So the literature review that I got is from Muhammad Sahir Alam. He write the theory that air conditioning is the conditioning of air within a specific space, usually houses or offices. It is provided to maximum indoor comfort, and air conditioner transfer heat from the inside of a building. The next one is from Adam Hadzahi 2013. Air conditioning system essentially has four parts: an evaporator, a compressor, condenser, and expansion device. He also said that as air from the house moves across the evaporator, refrigerant within the coil picks up the temperature of the air. And he also said the refrigerant is absorbing it from the air and turns from a liquid to a vapor. It went from being a cool liquid to a hotter vapor, and at the same time the air heat removed from it, so the air went from being warm to colder. The last one is from Mehmet Karakose and Erhan Akin in 2010. So they said the Fuzzy Logic Controller have four main stages, which is fuzzification, rule-based inference mechanism, and defuzzifications. So my methodology, I'm using Fuzzy Logic Toolbar on software MATLAB. So first I set input and output membership function. This is the input and this is the output. This is the example in input and output membership function. Then I construct the coding if-then rule base. The total if-then required is 51 rules. This is the coding I'm construct. And this is the result and discussion. For input, the temperature difference, value being too much negative is displayed as too cold, and negative is cold, as positive as warm, and so on. And humidity, I represented as the percentage relative humidity. And for electric voltage, I describe the information about alternating voltage that the air conditioner receiving, which is low or regular. And for output compressor speed, is to determine the pressure of the coolant in the system and hence the temperature of the room, which is all very low or low, medium or fast. Then for fan speed, the range of fan speed is 1400 RPM, which is the speed of motor in the LG split indoor AC. And for mode of operation, this is where the air conditioner will work like a dehumidifier only or a normal AC. And for fin direction, assuming the mounted air conditioner for 0 degrees Celsius and towards and 90 degrees Celsius is away from occupancy in the rooms. Then this is my rule set using fuzzy theory and fuzzy rule viewer, and this is fuzzy rule based output, which is required 51 rules, but I'm only set this, group this. So this is the whole result of my output. So the discussion of this project, for example, on 30 October 2019, Edward's temperature was 23 degrees Celsius and relative humidity was 97%. We desire a temperature of 16 degrees Celsius, then assuming the regular supply of voltage at 220 volts, so it will be this output. Then lastly is conclusions, which is I achieved the objective during this project. A prototype has been developed in simulating of an air conditioner. The compressor speed has been saved with the suitable temperature, and fuzzy logic controller system successfully applied into air conditioning system. And the last one is depending upon value of the input such as electric voltage, temperature and the humidity, the fuzzy controller changed the speed of the compressor and the fan along with the direction of wind, as well as the change its mode of operation, working as an AC or as a dehumidifier. So I want to take this opportunity to thank you to all my friends who support me and also to my supervisor and lecturers. Thank you.